If your office space looks like this right now and you want it transformed into something like this, then just stay with me to the ending of this video. Hi guys, my name is Tiana Interiors, a Nigerian based interior designer. I got a call to come in for an inspection. It was an office space which we were supposed to transform. Now the idea was to go for a wall cladding area and lighting. Why did we choose this? We chose this because my client was very specific about what he wanted. For the walls, he did not want something painted, and for this kind of wall, he could not go for normal fluted panels because, of course, it's going to make the office feel a lot more smaller, and wanted something to make the office feel a lot more larger and brighter because this would contain up to 50 staffs. So we got going. We had to go for HDF high glossy wood. We went for high glossy because we wanted to have a mirroring effect in the office. We went for lightning because we wanted the office to feel a lot more area. If you have this kind of space in your office and you want to transform, you can just go for this kind of idea because it's going to make your office look a lot more sophisticated. And in this case, we wanted to transform the office in the way my client wanted it, and we wanted it to represent his brand. Here we were done with the overall outlook of the whole space. We fixed the blinds, we removed the peels, and it came out very, very amazing. This was the before, guys, and this is the after. Can you believe it? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like it so far. I promise you, you love all my videos. Thank